All right, my name is Avi Zode. Came from America for this hair treatment. I've been seeing this treatment, for many years, and I found that through my friend called DJ, and he lives in Denver, and we have talked about it, and encouraged me to go do it, and he gave me the contact and everything, and I started talking with Turkia, the one who's living here, work here. And I decided actually to come and do it, and so it's been like 7-8 days now since I'm here, and I did my hair in like 3 days ago, and it was really fantastic. The hospital is really, actually, I never expected this big hospital. I thought it's like a very small clinic or so, but it's really good. The staff are really good. Montasir is really nice. The cameraman is really good. The doctors right there, all the drivers, everything is really organized and very polite and really beautiful people. I love it. The city itself is something else. It's so beautiful. Everything in here is a very good experience I have in life. So here I am actually, with the new look right here. I look like that. It wasn't like that, and I have like a very kind of bald thing in the middle, but I look really different, and I'm so happy about it. What I say about the whole thing, the whole trip, the whole package really worth it. The price, whatever, it was worth it, and I'm happy. Thank you.